Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by stopping any accessibility magnifiers that force a zoomed view. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. Once there, find Magnification and switch off Magnify via gestures, triple tap, or volume key shortcuts. This removes the common accidental zoom behavior. Make sure you toggle off every magnification option listed so you don't leave one active. If you relied on an accessibility shortcut, remove it now. Otherwise, it will re-enable when you press the gesture or keys. Next, normalize how content scales by resetting display and font size. Go to Display and Brightness, then Font and Display Size, and drag display size back toward the default or center position. Once done, check font size and reduce any oversized setting. Larger fonts can mimic a zoomed screen. Also inspect home screen layout and individual app zoom settings, since some apps preserve their own scale. If an app still looks zoomed, open its display settings and restore defaults. Finish by rebooting your phone so all display settings apply cleanly, then open several apps to confirm normal scaling. If zoom persists, boot into safe mode to rule out a third-party launcher or utility-altering display. Once in safe mode, test display. If fixed, uninstall the offending app. As a final step, backup data and perform a factory reset to clear persistent configuration issues. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, check accessibility again. An overlooked magnifier option is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.